Laminate your papers! Hello and welcome, Wisdom Seekers. In this episode of Budget Buys, we are going to be reviewing the Pembrook Thermal Laminator 9-inch version. They've also got a 13-inch version, but I couldn't find that one, so this is the only one that I bought. So when a lot of people think of ALDI, they don't usually think of all the other things that they have there besides the groceries. They've got a ton of housewares, they've got tools, they've got stuff for outdoors like chairs and tables. They've got laminators, they've got weights, it doesn't matter. Aldi has a lot of stuff that you wouldn't even really consider if you don't normally shop there and you wouldn't know what they have. I personally love Aldi because they have amazing prices and they also have really good quality on all of their groceries. All their produce lasts a long time. They don't actually use many preservatives, if any. They're just a really well-rounded company that really tries to make sure that everybody is as healthy as possible for as cheap as possible, so I can get behind that. So I got the Pembrook Laminator at Aldi for only 20 bucks. And not only is it a laminator, but they also come with 30 films total. So it comes with 10 2-inch by 3 1/4 films. It also comes with 10 5 by 7-inch films, and also comes with 10 8 1/2 by 11 films, so you can laminate an entire regular printer sheet size. Now when comparing that price and the amount of stuff that comes with it to any other thermal laminator, especially the 3M brand, you're gonna get a lot more value from the Pembrook laminator than anything else you can find probably anywhere really. Not only is it very cheap, but it is very reliable and it is very, very simple to use. All you do is you plug it in, you turn it on here, and then you wait for this little ready light, which it's not really a light, it's more of like a thermal reactive strip. So it's clear right now, but when it heats up, it turns a reddish pink, and it's very, very vibrant. You can see it right away. You know when it's heated up. Then, after that, is you feed in the sheet through with whatever paper you're trying to laminate, and just hold your hand out, let it feed itself through. It's done less than probably, I think, 30 seconds. It's really, really quick and it works amazing. So why would you want a laminator in the first place? Well, there's a ton of reasons actually. If you want to waterproof some pictures so you can use them as bookmarks or as, you know, coasters for cups and stuff like that. If you're trying to make some laminate name tags for your business, it doesn't really matter. If you're trying to make sure that a picture lasts a long time, or any document for that matter, a laminator is the way to go. So I can't really say anything else other than what I've described already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this works and how long it takes to heat up, all that stuff, plug and go, all the way to the finished product. So here we go. Check this out. So you've seen the Pembrook Laminator in action, and now it's time for me to answer the question, is it worth its weight in gold, or is it 20 bucks worth of suck? Let's figure it out. For the price and for the amount of everything that you get with it, the sheets and the fact that the laminator itself is only 20 bucks, that's insane. You can't get anything for that cheap, at least not that I can tell. A pack of sleeves is at least $5. So that means the laminator is only worth 15 bucks. And it operates like any other laminator that you would expect that is higher quality. Or at least higher price, because the quality is honestly the same, if not higher, because ALDI really kind of holds themselves to a certain standard. They really want to make sure that everything works the way it's supposed to. Also, I can't really ask for any other type of laminator at this point. I don't need a wider laminator, although ALDI does sell one. I'm not sure of the price on those right now, but you can get a 13-inch laminator, so that's pretty awesome. So my final verdict on the Pembrook laminator: Wizard approved. I can't really add a link. I would if I could, but unfortunately ALDI, on their websites, they usually don't reveal what they sell. You can't search for anything. It depends on the time of year you can find it. When you can find it, you should pick it up because it's super cheap and it's cheaper than anything else you can usually find. That's it for now, guys, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also remember that the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is the strongest, toughest creature on planet Earth. Until next time, the wizard has spoken.